Hi there, it's David WTI, and for a music lover, there's not many more things that are as annoying as breaking your stylus in the middle of listening a record. But happily, I was able to find this Audio-Technica's stylus cartridge, and now I can replace the stylus. First, you need to unscrew the screw that is holding your old stylus cartridge. Then nicely take it out. It's like Legos. This poor thing is broken, but it's vintage and it's old and it's time to change. Time to say bye-bye. Make sure that it's tight but not too tight. So use your gentle powers. I like to keep this so the same thing won't happen to this needle as happened to the old one. And then let's see. Sadly, because of copyright laws, I cannot play any music to you, but I can say that this audio quality is excellent with this Audio-Technica stylus. And that's why I recommend it to you too, if you care how your music sounds. And that, of course, is just my point of view.